Good morning, guys. How are you guys feeling? I am editing the video that I have for you guys. It's already in my TV. I'm reviewing it, and I figured I played way too much audio in the other video that isn't my own audio. I don't want to get copyrighted, so if you guys actually hear like no audio in clips, it's because I took it out. If I get copyrighted, YouTube will not suggest my videos to others. You have to like manually go to it, and I think those views aren't counted. So I don't want to do that for this video, so I'm gonna go back and edit it. I'm about to wax. I need a wax, and then I need to go to the dentist because my crown fell off. My temporary crown fell off. I need to go get that fixed today. Today I'm starting my day on my vlog on Valentine's Day. Today I'm gonna be spending time in my car. Believe it or not, I'm gonna Instacart, I'm gonna Uber today. Let's see how the day turns out. I'm optimistic about what the day is gonna look like. I have no expectations for the day, but I'm just trying to remain calm with my work. Good morning, everybody. I have a workshop today. It's a free workshop in my city, and it's called Activate Your Personal Power. It's 6 o'clock right now. It starts at 9:30. And I have an outfit, so I'm gonna wear that. I have to make my outfit work as well because the outfit that I was going to wear doesn't work. So I have to do half of the outfit that I wanted to do and then half of like me putting my twist on it with my own clothes. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I'm just gonna like take it easy and stuff and journal, like schedule my week for the next week. And I'm gonna take it easy on the recordings. Like, I'm not gonna make it too hard to do. I'm just going to do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not feeling like I'm the cutest or I feel the best. I gotta go to work because I have obviously commitments. I obviously, just like everyone else, just needs to get to work. Just not really, you know, like just feeling a few things, to be honest. And I did my makeup. I put foundation on, didn't do my eyebrows, didn't put on lipstick, no mascara, no concealer, no bronzer. So yeah, I gotta go to work, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna unwind. I'm gonna have, you know, a cup of wine or a alcoholic drink. I'm thinking about a seltzer. I might do a michelada. I'm just thinking about it. I don't know yet. And I'm gonna be back at the gym tomorrow. I just took a couple days off just for my mental health, so I'll be at the gym tomorrow. And yeah, I'm kind of bummed a little bit, not too much. I'm kind of bummed a little bit because I need to do product uploading and I don't feel like doing product uploading. And I need to do product uploading because like my business depends on me and my work, and you know, no one really teaches us how to be business owners. Everyone teaches us how to want a business, but nobody teaches us how to work in a business. And depending on how much work you do is depending on how much earnings you get. And I understand that. Today, and I don't know, I mean, if I really put in an hour today, then tomorrow I can put in another hour, and I can get really far with small steps. So I'm probably going to do that. Probably not going to sleep on progress. But I actually appreciate you guys learning me. You guys see like the most ugliest parts of me, and I go through a few dips here and there. So you guys are probably gonna see that too. But yeah, I'm gonna be leaving my house like in a few moments now, and kind of interested to see how the day will unfold. Every day is a surprise, literally. So yeah, I hope my attitude doesn't brush off or seems negative. I hope that you just see it for what it is. And I believe in God. I believe in miracles, and I believe in hard work. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Just say a few things here and there, but I'm gonna leave it alone. And after, you know what, I'm feeling really good now. I can leave home now. I can leave to work. I'm feeling a bit better leaving to work. So I'm gonna just wrap it up. And what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty much honestly just chilling right now. After a whole like few days of taking some recording time off, I'm back. I'm back again. I started to see things different in the last few days, and I wanted to actually kind of mention them a little bit. Kind of taking more time now to build my business, and I feel like it's cliche. I mean, people say that, but in reality, like, building a business is like too, yeah, it's like it's a big responsibility, and it just requires a bunch of time. This is like the first time that I'm sticking to like principles of myself. I do have to admit I am going through some hand pain. I am going through some pain in my hand. Like, I write a lot and I type a lot and I use my computer a lot, and I'm getting some pain. So I'm gonna have to look into some CBD gummies. I'm back. I'm feeling a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. It's my baby's birthday today. My baby birthday, yeah. Every other day, I can easily get in a bad mood. But today, I'm trying to be in a good mood all day. So I'm gonna just like take it slow. My new mirror came in from Amazon. I'm gonna have to use that mirror probably within this month and film content. I'll have to film some for some Instagram or for YouTube. But it's just a bummer because my pants and my shoes didn't fit and I had to return them back to the supplier. And I pretty much have to replace the shoes and the pants to even do the look that I was going for. So that's a bummer. But I'm just trying to try out new outfits and new suppliers. I have one good product on my store, and now I'm on a mission to gathering up the first 100 products for my launch. And thanks to my resources like Google Search Console and Google Merchant Center, I now have the perfect insight that was required to think of to get to this point. And that's pretty much what I'm working today. Other than working on my Google store, I have my Google store, my e-commerce store. I have 2 workshops today that I choose to go to if I can go to. WordPress tricks and how to become a vendor for people. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna go out to work. Uber and Instacart. And that's pretty much all I have for today. Right now it's 8:23 a.m. I had a late start today. I had to recover on some rest. I've been dealing with a lot of high stress. So sleeping in was a must. It was such a must. And now I'm gonna go use all my energy to doing my e-commerce store, going to the gym, and then doing Uber and Instacart. Small business, if it's woman owned, it's EDWSB. You see what I mean? So just be aware, is there a set aside, not a set aside? When you look at these opportunities, I know there's a ton of documents in the AI section here in the course. There's really great tips on how you can quickly get through it. So keep that in mind. When I was just thinking about making this video, a new idea came into my mind. Just literally had this this clarity when I realized that I didn't know what I was doing until it was too late enough to turn back. My boyfriend was telling me strongest person that he knows, and I'm just like I don't know, like other people can tell you what you are without you knowing who you are. And in this situation, this is who can read me the most, and this is who I am. And everything I'm going through, because I'm gonna look back in time and I'm gonna see my progress from my business. And if there's only one regret, is that I didn't do this sooner. But I got this. Like, I truly got this. I truly love now that I have clarity. 2 full years of business. Registered in December 2022. I haven't, since it's February, it's not close to 3. It's 2 years into business. I've wanted to quit halfway in, right? I wanted to quit last year around September. So 6 months ago, I was near quitting, and I'm so glad that I didn't, because now that I pick up my business back up, I really love like what I'm doing. I really am happy about what I'm doing. I really assessed how important this business is to us and what my actions were showing, and I see that my actions really do show that I'm investing in myself. I have a budget of $800 every single month. You know what? $400 is for my business. The other $400 is for my staple bills, like things I can't take back, the things that I have to pay. That's $800 in total. Like, I can see that I'm investing in my business. Yo, the moon is so bright today. Oh my god, I'm happy that I can see the freaking moon.